Welcome to the Ingrid Chronicles. In today's video, I am going to share a recipe that I found over on Instagram Reels. It is a chicken skillet dinner, very tasty and easy to make. I will also be sharing a Walmart haul for all of our bedroom decor. Stay tuned.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So in this recipe, you are going to need 5 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You are going to season it according to your taste. I used all of the ingredients shown. You're also going to need some red small potatoes, slit in half, and boil them until tender. While the potatoes are boiling, you are going to want to start cooking your chicken on an iron skillet. And here's a little bit of my haul. Alrighty then, and so while dinner's cooking, I'm gonna share with you all my Walmart haul. Okay, so we are decorating upstairs now. And so Mia picked out this Mario bed set. And, oops, sorry, I have this on my bag. She picked up this Yoshi. Hi, Yoshi! Yeah, look how cute. It's a little Mario character to go with her decor. Let's see here. And she got a photo for herself. Bed set over here for our room. Very nice, black and white. You will see the complete makeover once it's done. That chicken is sizzling and driving me crazy. Okay, and then she picked up this accent pillow. That's a little game controller. And then we also picked up the Mario bed sheet, fitted sheet, and pillowcases. I picked up a curtain that's going to hang from her entryway in dark blue. This is the only thing that came close to matching her bedding. And then I picked up my curtains for my room. I picked up 4. And so that is all. I also picked up the chicken, the potatoes. I got some bread and bagels. And basically that is all that we got from Walmart. So now let's get back to making this delicious meal and see how it's gonna turn out. I saw this over on Instagram Reels. It looks delicious. The only thing that I'm omitting is the red pepper because I forgot to pick it up. We don't like the red pepper anyway. So we have green pepper and onions, and I'm gonna add some garlic. Let's see how this turns out. I picked up a few of my favorite things. Cafe. I had to get this. I know. I keep complaining about my weight, but who can resist the Krispy Kreme cruller with coffee? I had to get it, y'all. Once the chicken is done, you're going to want to saute some peppers and onions. You can use any peppers of your choice. You are also going to slice the chicken and you're going to put it back into the skillet. And then you are going to prepare a separate skillet or cast iron grill. You're going to add cheese all over the bottom of the skillet. And then you are going to prepare your potatoes. So you are going to mash them with some cream, some melted butter, season it according to your taste. I'm going to be using some ranch seasoning on my potatoes because it just gives us such a great flavor. You can warm up the butter prior to putting it on for easier way to season your potatoes, and just a little bit of the cream, of the heavy whipping cream. However, you can use milk if you do not have cream, or half and half, whatever choice you would like. My masher disappeared, so I'm using my whisk. You don't want to mash the potatoes all the way through. You want to leave them a little chunky. And then you are going to place the potatoes on top of the cheese in the skillet. As you can see, that cheese is bubbling up. You want to make sure that your fire is on low heat. You don't want to burn the cheese. You just want it to come to a nice little melt. So once you finish placing all of the potatoes on top of the cheese, you're going to go and get that chicken along with the onions and peppers, and you are going to place that right on top of the potatoes. But before we get to that point, I wanted to sprinkle some parsley and some basil and oregano onto my potatoes to give it that added extra flavor. And here I am. I'm going to add the chicken, and you want to make sure that you put chicken all over. And as soon as you're done with that, that's it. Your dish is complete. It is ready to be served. You are going to want to serve this immediately so that the cheese can stay melted. And that is all I have for today. Until the next video. Bye.